Hey people, Kiara here from I Did Your Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions for each and every sale. Now you get paid every single month 80% of the sale that you bring in, which is absolutely fantastic to any affiliate marketer out there. Alright guys, or anybody that want to start trying to make money online. Alright, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we did get a sale, but we're going to refresh the page so I can show you guys that these are real results. These are not false results. I just want to show you guys that that is true and prove to you guys that this is money that is going into my bank account. Alright. Alright, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now guys, let me show you guys exactly what we're gonna do. This is absolutely the easiest method I have found to make money online. Alright, so first and foremost, you need a link. You need an affiliate link so you can get paid. Alright guys, so that's what we're gonna do first. Now before we get started, this is the link that I use, guys. Just to make sure you guys know which link I use. You can use any of these links that you want, but we're finna get all of them. But I just want to make sure you guys know which link I personally use for this particular method, just so you guys can copy me if you want. Alright, so first you go to my description there of this video here. You're gonna go to my description, gonna say something like incomespeech.com. You click on that, it's gonna take you to a page look something like this. Now on this page here is basically the sales letter for the $25 business, how much money you can make, what it is, stuff like that. If you're interested, what the $25 business essentially is, a funnel builder, something like ClickFunnels or any other site, Katra and stuff like that. But the difference is $25 per month, and it's making many funnels as you want, you know. And those sites, you can't do that. Basically what a funnel is basically it's just like a tube that leads people into buying stuff. Websites kind of lead people into wanting to buy something. That's basically what a funnel is. Anyway guys, it's $25 per month. That means you get $20 for each sale, guys, for this particular product, which is absolutely fantastic. You can also make $100 as well, so you can get up to $120 monthly on each customer, guys. $120 monthly on each customer. You get one person to do that, and you can have both of these products for you see what I'm saying? It's a fantastic deal. So they also get a charity if you're interested in that. So anyway guys, you can just look through this if you want to figure out what you want to do, right? So you can click on that and say, hey, I want to try this out, and you got all this information here. Put in your basic information there and get the product right there. Now one thing I want to mention when you use my link is the 14-day free trial of HBA Premium. What that is, it's all about showing you how to set up an Instagram post, TikTok traffic, solo ads in general, stuff like that, blogging, posts, podcasting, whatever it may be that you're interested in, and trying to make money doing that as well. And it teaches you how to do that. Now sometimes things change, but we have a bunch of people in the system, and what we do is like kind of try to collect information and see what's working, and try to show people how to get started making money with this program here based on what's working, who's doing the best, and stuff like that. All right, and it's constantly updated. And the coolest part about it is that if you get a sale with this product, you keep that $100 even though you don't technically own the product, guys, which is absolutely fantastic. So anyway guys, that's that, right? And you click on that, you go through, get your links and stuff. It's videos explaining all of this. You've signed up for any kind of site before, you know exactly what to do to sign up, guys. Now the next thing you need to do now, figure out a way to promote this product. Now what I want you guys to do is go into the descriptions once again. That's going to be a second link there, step 2 or something like that. Now you're going to click on that link and it's going to take you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. So what is My Lead Gen Secrets? You get a ton of leads that you can email once per day, all right? And it slowly builds up. So we're going to go in, we're going to log in, do our thing. Boom, boom, boom. Very basic. And we're going to select mailing system. Select on mailing system, we're going to select all our leads. Boom, like that. And we're just going to come down here and we're going to use the email that ChatGPT has written for us. Now this is the one I sent yesterday. I'm just grabbing my own picture here so I can put it on my next. So this is what ChatGPT, that's what I've been using. It's making us money, guys. It's working. So we're just gonna go down, find next, this one, right? Oh, yeah, that's our next email. Not our next email. All right, and we're just gonna pick our pick real quick. Guys, just sit. I just use my picture as a signature. I think it works a little better, but you don't have to worry about that really. You don't really even need to send a signature. I've gotten sales in multiple ways. But anyway, that's the email, guys, and we're just gonna make sure we get perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check their emails, right? So then we're gonna select preview, and we're gonna check our link and make sure it works. Make sure it works, because if it doesn't work, you can't get sales. Also, just pause the video if you want to copy this email, guys. That's the whole email. That's the title. Blah blah blah. All right, guys. If you want the information there, like that. And that's all there is to that, guys. Just gonna close that, and we're gonna send an email, and that's all there is to it. It's very simple, but you gotta do this every single day. Remember that. Now, here's the #1 rule, guys, about making money online: is consistency. Consistency. Post every single day. Post every single day. You don't need to necessarily worry about how good your video looks or how nice your email is, anything like that, right? Just make sure you send an email every day. Make sure you post a video every day. Just make sure you do it every day, and you'll be fine, guys. That's all I'm trying to say. And that's all there is to that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.